hearsay evidence is inadmissible except as otherwise provided in these rules. So ang pinakauna po natin kailangan i-take note dito is yung pag-define nitong rules of procedure natin sa hearsay or pag-define ng rules on evidence, revised rules on evidence. Kasi kung makita po niyo ang sinabi nila, hearsay is a statement other than one made by the defendant. So, ang complicated po, di ba, ng wordings na ginamit. So, in simpler terms, ang ibig sabihin lang po talaga dapat niyan is hearsay is a statement made by another individual other than the one made by the witness. Okay? So, yung point ko po dito, wala pong legal value yung hearsay evidence as a general rule. Okay? And then, yung best example po or the easiest way to define or give an example for hearsay statements is pag may lumalabas na daw or allegedly sa mga statements na binabasa ninyo. Kasi ibig sabihin yan pag daw, ibang tao yung nagsabi tapos narinig lang niya. Okay, so hindi po yan pwede yung ganong statement kasi inadmissible po yan sa korte.